Just thought I'd do a little video of our 3.2 litre stroker forged engine. So it's got a forged crank, forged rods, forged pistons, torque master, exhaust manifold, HPD gear, a lot more HPD gear and stuff to go on it. All ported and polished head, bigger valves, which are all available on our online shop. Anything you want for your Forjo J1, whether it's HPD gear, cams, whatever you need. Exhaust manifolds, torque master turbos, gated turbos, Garrett turbos, whatever you need. Give us a call here and we will be very happy to help you. Just give you a look inside before we close her up. Getting very close, putting the motor into the drag ute. Nice set of cams in there. I'm not going to tell you what size they are, but they are big. Will make some decent horsepower, this motor. With a huge amount of boost. Can't wait to get it going. Keep watching, guys. You'll get to see the car soon. The car's being worked on all the time. It won't be finished for some time yet, but things are coming together nicely for us. Watch this space. 4JJ1 horsepower is coming this way.